really loud. Oh boy. Well, good morning. It's a nice, cool fall morning. Heading to Mill Pond Park. Right here's where I saw the Cooper's Hawk on the pavement. That was pretty cool. Here we are. Here's some black-capped chickadees in that vicinity. There's a cardinal. Ooh, I think that's a hairy woodpecker or a downy woodpecker. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Somewhere around there. Cool. Yeah, this lookout is pretty nice. Pretty cool view. All right. There's some blue jays singing over there. Black-capped chickadee right in here. And then a few white-breasted nuthatches up in this tree. This is going to be a nice morning if it stays like this. I'm kind of on the lookout for a Lincoln sparrow. These are a pretty cool sparrow that migrates through Michigan. It looks really cool. Haven't gotten a great photo of one of those yet. They're pretty elusive. They like to stay in the thicket. Another downy woodpecker over there I just heard. These trails through here are pretty cool. A lot of them are asphalt like this, but some of them are just dirt. Usually, earlier in the season, there'll be a huge flock of cedar waxwings that'll fly from each part of the river. Oh, that's a downy woodpecker. And he just flew into the bushes. Oh, there's another one. There's some juncos behind me in that brush. Oh, there's a nest up there. I don't know if the camera can see that, but there's a nest right in that tree. Don't know what that's from, but there was 2 blue jays hoarding it, so. I like to follow the chickadees whenever there's not too many birds, because a lot of other birds like to hang around groups of chickadees. And I have seen Lincoln sparrows on this elbow of this trail right here before. Oh, there's a big buck right there. Oh, just heard a cedar waxwing. Yeah, right up there. Any chickadees? Also listening for brown creepers. Yep, that's one. Just heard him. No. Just heard a tuft of titmouse over there. think that was the creeper that just flew down here. I think. Oh, I can't get a good view. Oh, there he is. On that tree. Yeah, terrible picture. Oh, more deer. 4? 4. Wow. I'm also looking for pine siskins. They're coming into the season for them. And I've seen a flock fly through here once. I just want to find a bird. A red-bellied woodpecker just landed right in here. I see him through the bushes a little. Oh, he's in that hole. Here, I'll take a picture. Okay, he's right in there. I want him on this green log because it looks pretty cool. He's right there. You can see his red head. Show yourself. Well, the woodpecker left. I can't find him. Don't have too many awesome pictures of geese, but they're not the most awesome birds, honestly. So the easy way to get there would just be to go straight to there, but I would probably scare them. So I'm going to go up and around and slowly come down. Try to be as quiet as possible. My goal is to get level with the water, which I have a feeling is not going to happen. No, they're starting to swim away. Oh, no, man. They're all gone. Well, I thought there would be more foliage in here, because last time I was photographing a great blue heron on that stick, and this was all filled in with leaves, so I crept in from here and came down here, and then he didn't see me, but whatever. You get some, you lose some. They're just geese anyway. Kind of hoped there would be a little bit more. Oh, just heard a belted kingfisher. It's pretty late in the season for those guys. He's probably going to the pond or somewhere by this river. They like to perch up. Oh, there he is, right there. Yeah, he's on that branch pretty close. Have to see if we can find him later. Cardinal, that's a good sign. I see him through that stick. Starting to warm up a little. Sometimes cardinals can be really tame, and sometimes they're very, very skittish. Yeah, I don't think he's going to be very cooperative. Goldfinches flying over. There's usually a group of them that waits around these trees beside the trail. Oh boy. Sun's coming out. Now just the birds got to come out. I just heard the kingfisher, I think. Oh yes. There he is. Dang it. Okay. Let me try. See if he'll come back my way. Oh, there he is. See at the top of that branch. I want him to come right through here so I can get some shots. Hopefully he doesn't fly off to the left. Oop. Here he comes, here he comes. Oop, just heard a bluebird. Oh, he's coming back this way. I don't know if you could see him, but he flew above these trees here. I think he's coming back around this way. Hopefully. I honestly don't know what that is. Wait, that could be a fox sparrow. But I'm hearing it. Oh, I see it. American tree sparrow. Yeah. Fox sparrows sound exactly like them. With those little tink calls or chip calls. Maybe I'll fly over to this side. I think he might have flew over to this side. Oh boy, I see him. Oh, he's right there. Psh, psh. Pss, 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 pss. Pss, 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 pss. Psh, 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 psh. Just want him to come closer. Psh, 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 psh. Don't have a clear view. Psh, 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 psh. Ah, lost him. Bummer. He was right down there, like skulking above the river on that muck. Also, you may have heard me making a noise like psh, 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 psh. And that's a technique called pishing. It apparently sounds interesting to some birds and they like to see what's going on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but some birds like chickadees and titmice though, they'll come after you. I've had chickadees get within like an arm's reach of me just from pishing. Same with the red-breasted nuthatch, that was pretty cool. Well, here we are, back at the bike. Wasn't the best morning, but there was some action. Well, that'll be all for today, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.